Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to add Redzone to YouTube TV. First things first, NFL Redzone is a special channel dedicated to showing live coverage of NFL games on Sundays, focusing on scoring, plays, and key moments. It's perfect for fans who want thrilling, uninterrupted football experience. To access NFL Red Zone on YouTube TV, you'll need the Sports Plus add-on package. This package includes several sports-focused channels, with NFL Red Zone being a major highlight. To get this add-on, sign into your YouTube TV account on a web browser or the app. Once you are logged into your account, click on your profile picture, then go to the settings and look for membership. So as you can see, you can go on your plan and choose the Sports Plus plan. So here you can go to more info and choose the Sports Plus fan. If you have a promo code, you can add it by clicking on this plus sign, then go and click on next. You can browse from here all the add-ons and you can simply click on more info in order to see all the channels and the add-ons provided. And once you have subscribed to the Sports Plus package, head to the Live tab in YouTube TV. So simply go to Live tab right here. And you should see here NFL Red Zone displayed here among your own programs or shows. It's ready for Sunday excitement. And remember, the channel is only live on Sundays during the NFL season, typically airing from 1 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. And make sure to tune in during these hours to catch all the highlights and action as they happen. In addition to live coverage, do not forget to make use of YouTube TV's Cloud DVR feature. You can record the entire NFL Red Zone broadcast to rewatch your favorite plays at your convenience. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.